Hi everybody, welcome to your last video of the school year, constructing box and whisker plots. So far you've learned how to make a 5-number summary. So here I collected data from the number of COVID cases in each of the 8 Connecticut counties. And what I'd like you to do is just find the 5-number summary. So remember, you have to put the numbers in order first, and then find all those pieces, the min, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the maximum. So pause, then do it. Okay, so let's put the numbers in order first. So we have 405, 859, 1108, 1170, 1409, 10,677, 11,673, and then 15,914. Okay, so now we'll find the median. So there's 8 numbers, so the median will be between the 4th and the 5th number. So you find the mean of 1170 and 1409. So you add those numbers together and divide by 2, you get 1289.5. Then that divides the data into a lower half and an upper half. The Q1, the first quartile, will be between 859 and 1108. And you add those, divide by 2, and you will get 983.5. So that's Q1. Here's the median, also known as Q2. And then Q3 will be in between 10,677 and 11,673. The average of those is 11,175. And then we have the minimum and the maximum. So that divides our data into 4 parts. So here's the 5-number summary. Now we're going to turn that into a box and whisker plot. So you're going to be doing this in your project with nutrition fact data. So you make a number line, start a little below the minimum, so it's like a normal number, and sometimes you'll count by ones, tens, hundreds, even thousands. We're going to count by 2000s. So we have 2,000, 4,000, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,000. Now, let's see what we have. So we have the minimum is 405, so I'm going to put a line there. Q1 is 983.5, so that's still less than 1,000. Then 1,289.5, and then 11,175, and then 15,914. So now these lines in the beginning here are not quite accurate because I'm having trouble on my screen here, but the 3 middle lines get a box. So the ends of the box are the Q1 and the Q3. The middle of the box is the median, and then the whiskers go to the min and the max. And then you can write the numbers above the box and whisker. So like you put 405 here, 983.5 in the next one, etc., up to 15,914. Just to make it clear, but you need to have a scaled number line. That is a must, because the size of the box and whiskers tells you how far apart the data is. So the closer the data is together, the shorter the box and the whisker. The more spread out the data is, the bigger the section. So here, this is the biggest section. 25. There's 25% in each section, right? 25%, 25, 25, and 25. All right. But it's important to know that the bigger section means the numbers are more spread out, which kind of makes sense. Look, you're going from a median of 1,289.5 to a Q3 of 11,175. And the idea is you have the same amount of numbers in each section. Now, we only had 8 data points to begin with, but imagine if we had like 1,000, okay? Then you get a nice idea of how the data is separated. So next, I'm gonna show you what the delta math is gonna look like. So here's an example. So you're gonna have a delta math. You have 2 parts. One is understanding a box and whisker, and the other is creating. So here, let's create. So we need to find the 5 number summary first. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 data values. So the middle is here between the 15 and 16. Notice the numbers are already in order. If they're not, you put them in order. Okay, so then, so let's find the median between 15 and 16. Add them together, divide by 2, you get 15.5. Then, so that's the median, and you'll type that in the box in a second. And then we have Q1 will be the median of the lower half. Oh, here it is, 5. The median of the upper half, here it is, 18. And then min and max. So you have 3, 5, 15.5, 18, and 19. So let me close this, and then I'll type those numbers in. So 3, 5, 15.5. Q3 will be 18, and then max was 19. Now we have to set this up. So we have 3, you just drag them, 5, 15.5. Whoops, okay, we're gonna have to move these, 19, 18, and then 15.5. Yep. And then it explains in here. Okay, so you will do a bunch of these on your own. If you need help, you can watch the help video. If you get it wrong, that's okay. It'll walk you through how to do it. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you have a great day, have a great summer if you're not in my class, and take care.